Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello all, we are third year computer engineering students, which includes artificial intelligence and data science engineering, and we study in division A from Zeal College of Engineering and Research. Under project based learning subject, we Manthan Timbre, Sandeep Chavan, Shubham Kadam and Samruddhi Chandras have completed a project on COVID-19 survey and support under the guidance of Professor Deepak Naik. So, as we see on the screen, the main aim of our project or the main objective of our project is to analyze the COVID-19 situation and to help the people to get all possible information about cases, deaths and where to seek for help in need. So we are all well known about the current disaster in front of world and hence in front of our India. It is very vital to get aware about the essential information of process of COVID-19 resolving system in India. Hence we created an application to promote the essential information regarding COVID-19 as to reach up to citizens. So the requirements for this project are the tool named Tableau, which creates and visualizes the database. The website which we used for our source website, it is www.india.gov.in. The knowledge of HTML programming language to create home page website, and also we need the government websites for support and help for COVID patients as referral links. The main objective or the motivation to develop this project is that we can get to know about the total cases of COVID-19 in the whole world according to their country and dates, and also the state-wise vaccination percentage in all over India. We can check the availability of beds, plasma donors, vaccination centers, etc. through the link and support you in this crisis. So the platforms or the programming languages used are HTML, JavaScript and the Tableau tool, which is used to create and visualize the database. So take a look at the methodology which we are going to use to study our project. So now let's have a look on our project. So we have created this mini project on the basis of current COVID-19 situation, which has real life application, and represented it using database visualization tool known as Tableau. Also, the window which is visible right now is created by a website creation language known as HTML, which will also help the people in COVID-19 crisis, such as for searching hospital beds, plasma donors, etc. Now, let's have a look on our Tableau project. We have gathered the data and information from various websites in the form of Excel sheets and just binded them together so that the analysis of COVID-19 cases before 20th May 2021 would be done more efficiently and portably. So, we can see the total cases in the world over here. These are the total deaths. These are newly reported cases in the last 24 hours. And we can see the total cases in every country just by moving the cursor on any region of the world map. Also, this bar diagram shows top to bottom approach of COVID cases of countries and time periods. The India Vaccination Info tab redirects us to state-wise vaccination percentage in India. So we can see here, we can select any state in India and we get the vaccination updates over here just by scrolling the cursor on the map. it also shows the people who are first dose vaccinated and the number of fully vaccinated people in the selected state. So that is it. And now these COVID-19 support links we have created by just shortlisting the websites which are most useful but not that much popular, and just we have given the referral links to that websites, to these buttons of that websites, and so they just redirect us. We can see here, they just redirect us to the desired website which will help us in COVID-19 crisis. So here we can see we are on a website which gives the information about how many beds are available in every hospital. This will redirect us to the blood donation and plasma donors websites. Yes. Here we can add filters and search for the plasma donors. Like this, similarly, all the websites are very much useful in the COVID-19 crisis for the patient as well as his family. So here we are. The CoWIN portal gives all the updates about the vaccination centers. So it redirects us to the CoWIN portal. So that's all. So these are the applications and features. Some of the applications are earlier already explained to you by my colleague. So it is a easy to access platform, one-stop info center. All the information is gathered at a single place. So this is the conclusion. People will get quite aware about the current situation in India, so that people will follow the precautions. We will be able to check the percentage of vaccination done in all over India. This software will help the patients to find beds, ventilators and oxygen beds. This application will help the doctors also for the patient's management. All the information is available on a single platform. If we witness the third wave of COVID-19, then this project will be beneficial for our government to watch over the condition and cases. So, thank you Zeal Institute for providing guidance for successful completion of this activity. Thank you so much.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.